Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Today is April 11, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today we're gonna analyze the week of April 13 to the 17th. This video is the pre-week analysis for April 13 to the 17th. Make sure if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking that bell notification in there so you will know when I will be posting tomorrow full analysis for the week of April 13 to the 17th. Let me give you a reminder, I will not put the video in our chat room just to make sure that you are following direction. If you don't subscribe, unfortunately, you will not see the video on tomorrow when I load it. So make sure you hit the bell notification in there. All the videos here are free. And remember, we are using triple arrow system. All right. So make sure you hit the bell notification. Another thing, guys, let's go ahead and move on and show you the next tool that I think everyone needs to be in, which is very, very important. If you have not followed me on Facebook, please do so by going to Forex USA group. Is completely free. All you have to do is go and search Forex USA group. All right, let me go ahead and give you the disclaimer. As always, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. You know that's what we're here for. So we're here to collect those hundreds of pips. So make sure, guys, once again, if you have not hit the bell notification, do so you will know when I will be posting tomorrow's video. All right, so let's get excited here, because anyway, all this free analysis come to you free. We using our triple arrow system, the best system in the world. So it's a proven system. We do our follow-up analysis every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where I go over again with you live, and I show you everything that I did on today and tomorrow, Sunday as well. So make sure you hit that bell notification. All right, so well, let's go ahead and then start working. I just wanted to make sure I show you something, guys, before we start move on. Is if you have any comment, please drop it below. I'm here with you. I can read it. I can help you. The only way that I can help you is only if you do ask questions. All right. The next thing that I think everyone also needs to know is, guys, which is I think is very important, right? So you make sure you do what? You hit that thumbs up, so I will know how am I doing. All right, so we have one particular person that has 2 YouTube accounts that are disliking our video, which is completely fine. So we know who it is, but hey, you know, we still got people love our video, right? So all right, let's move forward. Today I'm gonna be showing you 4 different pairs. I'm gonna go over with GBP USD, AUD USD, gold, and GBP NCD. Pay attention. We're gonna go ahead and start with our gold version of it, right? So on this particular pair, guys, pay full attention what the market is doing. Let me check something real quick here. There you go. Let me bring this up here. There you go. Let me bring this up. All right, so pay attention what the time frame that I'm using here is clearly telling you I love to use 4 hours, right? So I just want to make sure you understand that people are loving our analysis that we do over the weekend. When we come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m., then that's when you get to, you know, ask the question live in class, and you can see how amazing the setup was. This past Wednesday, we lost, I think it was only one out of 13 or 14 pairs. That's damn pretty good, guys. So for the whole month, I think that past month, we had lost 2 trades. And look, we are in a very sensitive situation the world is living, but the analysis is top notch. All right, so hopefully that helped you out. All right, so pay attention what I'm gonna be doing here on GBP USD. This is my analysis for the week of April 13 to the 17th. I'm looking for a retracement retesting R38 to R50 Fibonacci line. Pay attention when we come back on Wednesday, guys. It will come there. And then from that particular on, the trade is gonna come down. It's gonna be a bearish position. So let me write it down because I don't know if that helps or not. But what I'm looking in this particular area here is a small pullback. And then I will see here a continuation of the trend, which is the trend is bearish. Right now, what do you think the market is doing right now? Look at here, guys. Let me write it down here. Triple arrow is doing what? Triple arrow is doing a bullish market. But this is a temporary bullish market, in my opinion. Look at that. Market right now is doing a small pullback triple arrow. Look, it's coming here. What do you think it happens in this particular area here? Let me write it down in big so you understand. Here was where the pullback got what? It was over. Game over. All right, let's write here. Game over. All right, game over. Boom. That's it. So now, what do you think the market is doing? Market is doing exactly what I'm telling you that it's gonna do. See, market already dropped. This was my previous week that I gave you on this pair. Market drop. Now it just needs that small pullback, retesting our mid 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line, and then bingo. See, I'm telling you guys, this is it. It's not that hard. Don't make it complicated. Make sure you guys hit the bell notification because I will not put tomorrow full analysis into the chat room. I just want to make sure that you guys are following direction. Even if you don't subscribe, then I mean, you make the decision. All right. Anyway, all this is free. I ain't charging you anything. All this is free. Letting you know the power of triple arrow. If you are new watching this video and you want to grab the triple arrow system, guess what? The link of the triple arrow is on the description of this video. I will be giving you $25 cash back once you sign up, okay? So make sure that anyway, the system doesn't cost that much, but I just want to help you out because what the world is going on, so we can help you out with $25 cash back. Make sure you hit that link in there. So it's in there, all right? All right, let's go to the next one. We're going to go ahead and analyze gold. Pay attention what we're doing here. It clearly is telling us that we are on what time frame. All right, let me put it this way. Look at that, 4 hours. Clearly says 4 hours. Now, someone sent me a message and said, Irvin, can you please analyze gold? I really need to know what I'm expecting to see next week. Well, shout out to you. I don't remember your name, but here it is. All right. So pay attention to what I'm doing in this particular one here. What I'm looking here for next week, market right now is triple arrows giving us what? Triple arrows giving us a bullish market, right? So that's exactly what it's giving us. A buy position. That's what it's doing. Pay attention. Triple arrow is sitting in this area here. All right. So market is doing exactly what the triple arrow is supposed to do. It's supposed to be bullish. It's exactly what it's doing. Now, the question is, I'm expecting to see this coming week a amazing triple arrow formation in this area here. Look, it's not here yet. When we come back on Wednesday, we will hopefully see it in there. All right. So, hey, you don't have to follow me. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips here. But pay attention what it's going to do. On Wednesday, you can come in and judge me and say, you know what, Irvin, you were wrong. You were right. I love you. I love your style, whatever you think you're doing. But look at here, guys. I don't use any other indicators. Straight up, you know, Fibonacci with triple arrow. That's all you need. That's all you need. In my opinion, that's all you need. You can ask a whole bunch of crap on it, but it's up to you, all right? But look at that. It is what it is. Now, this is the question. What am I expecting to see in this particular area here? Like I said, I'm expecting to see a triple arrow formation, right? So when the triple arrow come here, obviously it's going to be equal a sell position. All right, position, sell position. That's what I'm looking forward to see in this particular area. So now my goal is to come and retest R61 Fibonacci line. For that particular area, I'm looking for a small retracement to retest R78.6 Fibonacci line. And that's what happened is gonna do from that particular area. We are looking to do what? We are looking to do a continuation of the trend, which is gonna be bearish, guys. That's what I'm thinking, and I stand by what I'm gonna say because I will take this trade. Look at that. Clearly, it's gonna tell us the market is gonna do a sell position all next week. All next week. Remember, you don't have to listen to me. I'm just another fellow trader. But so far in this past month, we have lost only 2 trades in what? 25 trading business day. It's amazing. It's amazing. Man, only 2. Come on. And the world is living to a very sensitive issue. I mean, triple arrow is the best, guys. If you have not grabbed the triple arrow system, guys, the link is below. All right. So make sure you click on it. A lot of people say, Urban, but I don't know where the link is. Come on, man. It is there. Let me see if I can bring a video, guys. Because sometimes by going there is the only way that sometimes people, because some people don't, I don't know, no matter how many times you're going to tell them, they just don't listen. All right. So
Mr.
let me see. There you go. All right. So let's go here. Hold on. This guy is here. All right, so this is one of my videos, right? All you gotta do is click here where it says show more. Let me delete some of this because I got some testing here. Look at here. Here we got the triple arrow system. That's why you're gonna be clicking, and I will be giving you $25 cash back. If you want to contact me by my private Telegram, there is a link in there. There is a public Telegram as well. All right, so I also had Robinhood stock in there if you want to sign up. I had SoFi Online Finance as well. I had the broker I use as well, the Facebook, Twitter, and so much on. There's a lot of great info in there. So make sure if you had not gone there, please do so, so you all can be in the same page. All right, so I just wanted to help you out in there. So if you sign up to our triple arrow system, we will give you $25 cash back. All right. So let's move forward. Let's go to the next pair. We're going to go ahead and analyze AUD USD. Pay attention to the time frame I'm using here. I'm clearly using 4 hours. What I'm expecting, look at what the triple arrow is doing, guys. Pay attention to this one. This is a great one. Pay attention what triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is clearly giving us a bullish market. That's exactly what the market is doing right now. Oops, I grabbed the wrong tool. I always do that, guys. Bear with me. Guys, if you have any question, please let me know. You know, all you got to do is just ask question, okay? Comment anything you may have in your mind. Comment below. I'm here. And there's always some other senior traders that are here as well. They can help you out. So don't be shy, all right? And make sure you also give us a thumbs up so we know how well we're doing or we're doing anything wrong, all right? Because we need to know. All right, so moving forward, look at what I'm doing this particular week of April 13 to the 17th. I'm looking for a retracement retesting R61.8 Fibonacci line on AUD USD, and then the market will go currently based on what the triple arrow is telling us. Triple arrow is telling us the market is bullish. So we need to listen to our system. I mean, you don't have to, but I do. You do whatever you want because you are the master of your account. But I will listen to what the software is telling us. All right, so hopefully that helps. All right, let's go to our last pair of the day. Remember, tomorrow, Sunday, April 12th, we will drop the full analysis for the week of April 13 to the 17th. All you have to do is subscribe. All right. So in order to be able to see the whole full analysis. All right. Let's go to see on GBP USD. Look at this one. Look at this, guys. I totally. Guess what I did wrong here? See if you can. I totally This was last week analysis. I totally forgot to reanalyze it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and redo it. You here? We're gonna do it live. So what I'm expecting to see on this particular, on GBP USD, I'm expecting to see a small pullback from this particular area, right where it's sitting, doing a retesting our mid 52 or 30 Fibonacci line from this particular area. From there, we are looking to see a continuation of the trend to be bullish, because right now the market is bullish. So, but why do you think I'm thinking this way? Simple, because look at who is in charge here. Clearly, it's telling you the triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. Look at how simple it is. What I'm expecting to see again is to retest our 50 to our 30 Fibonacci line, and then from there, market will give us a what? What do you think it's gonna give us from there? It will give us a bullish position. That's what I'm thinking. From there, it's gonna continue being a bullish, because the triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. That's what it's giving us right now. You're seeing it. It's not doing anything less or going against. It's clearly telling us the market is bullish. Now, all we have to do now is listen up and take that bullish market, because the market is bullish. So all I'm expecting to see all next week is a small pullback, and then market will continue as bullish. Do you guys have any question, guys? Any question? Because I'm here. I'm here to try to help you out as much as I can. If you do not have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? What do you think I'm gonna do next?